Thank you so much, everyone. I have to say, I'm a little bit overwhelmed today with so fantastic presents and so nice words. It's a little bit past 10 a.m. and I cannot do anything else than smile and be so excited for this so important moment of bringing our IKEA vision closer to reality and closer to the reality of Quezon City. Today we are opening our first Plan and Order shop here in the north of the city, in Quezon City, and this is a way for us to bring our vision of creating a better everyday life for the many people, closer to the many Filipinos and closer to Quezon City, where the biggest amount of customers are from IKEA are today. It's a small step, a very small step for us, but I think a huge step for our customers and for IKEA also. Before I continue, I can only say thank you so much to our dear ambassador. I think we have so much in common about our culture, about our values, about the way we work together, about simplicity, about the passion for people, for planet, giving and take responsibility. This is all about us, all about our culture, and I would like to thank you for your continued support to bring and to make sure that the Swedish culture is also alive in our beautiful country. I'm a little bit emotional, but to our city mayor, our honorable Mayor Joy Belmonte, thank you so much for approving our permits. Otherwise, we would not be here. But I would say more than that, dear Mayor, thank you so much for your big passion for IKEA. I just discovered two things today. The first one is that you grew up with an IKEA furniture around you. That I didn't know before, and it's quite spectacular to know that. But also thank you so much for your vision, because today I understood you have a vision of building something stronger in this part of the city, and I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Hopefully we will both of us see that growing up together. And to the Ayala group, I have to say, it's a little bit the first time for us working together in the Philippines. I am very excited and at the same time very thankful. Very thankful, Mariana, Paul, Nathan and Mark, because your commitment, your passion, your support on making this happen has been outstanding. We met for the first time 6 months ago. 6 months ago, and today we are open this shop, which, by the way, for IKEA, this is almost mission impossible. But together, we made that possible. And I would like to say, in a professional way, we worked together in a record time. Thank you so much for that. All our business partners that are here today, that have helped us to make this dream come true, a big thank you. Without you, we would not be here today, and this would not be possible to do today. So thank you so much for that. But of course, I need to have some words also to the IKEA team that has actually worked tirelessly in the last few months to make sure this is a reality. It was a lot of sweat, a lot of tears, a lot of excitement to bring the brand to this part of the city. I cannot be more proud of all of you today. And I have to say, thank you so much. You guys will rock today onwards. Welcome. And my last message to our customers, I see we have a lot of customers that are excited to be with us today in this early morning, celebrating this milestone. Thank you so much also to all our customers. This Plan and Order shop will not have the meatballs. Not on a regular basis. I can see a lot of disappointing faces, but guess what? Today, and only today, you will be able to taste those meatballs. If you are a family member, side to the store, you will be able to taste one of our best products in the IKEA range, our very traditional Swedish meatballs. So looking forward for that. The IKEA Plan and Order shop, it's a quite brand new concept for IKEA on our retail approach. And it's a way to bring our range closer to the many Filipinos. It's a way to bring our well-designed, functional, with quality, very sustainable range at prices so low that as many Filipinos in Quezon City as possible will be able to afford them. And today we are trying to make this vision coming alive to Quezon City. As we say, here at IKEA Plan and Order shop, you plan, you order, and you shop. And I will say it again, you can plan, you can order, you can shop the full IKEA range in a 400 square meter store. Thank you so much again for all of us for this moment. I will not keep you any longer. Let's open this Plan and Order shop at TriNoma Mall in Quezon City. Jello to you and to your team. We wish you all the luck, and as we sing Tagalog, kayaya natin to. Thank you so much.